In this video, we'll continue building a blockchain AI agent from scratch using a Web2 API, Hedera, and LangGraph.js. Hi all, I'm Brendan and welcome to Hands-on DevRel. We're starting from where we left off previously, where we had created a joke tool as well as two Hedera tools. Now we'll be moving on to invoke those tools. However, we're not quite ready to make the AI agent invoke these tools just yet. Instead, let's manually invoke them, but we'll do it in such a way that we emulate exactly how an AI agent would invoke them. Essentially, we're hand coding exactly what an LLM will do, such that it will invoke the tools that we intend. We can think of this exercise in a couple of ways. The first is that this is a good way to learn what goes on behind the scenes. We'll actually understand the decisions that an LLM has to make surrounding tool invocation. The second is that we can treat this as a smoke test for the tools. By doing this, we'll uncover any problems with how we have implemented the tool functions or how we've defined the tool schemas. When we create AIMessage, that is basically us pretending that we've already prompted the AI agent and then the LLM has replied with what's in the AI message. But we're intercepting this reply and we can see its internals. The internals will show much more than just a text message that you would see in a chat interface. In this case, it also contains multiple tool calls. Now we can see that the tool names, what the tool names are and what inputs it intends to pass into the tool functions. Note that each one also has a unique ID, which we will make use of later. We can see the QRY joke tool invocation for car and another one for bar, and this should call the HTTP API and retrieve some joke text. In the second prompt, we see a single CMD HCS create topic tool invocation, and this should use the Hedera SDKs and submit a transaction that creates a new topic. So far, this pretend AI agent has not had to reference any context from earlier prompts, replies, or tool calls. Now, this is going to change in the third prompt, where we're going to extract the joke texts from the tool calls in the first prompt, and we're also going to extract the HCS topic ID from the tool call in the second prompt. Then, with these pieces of information, it can perform two tool call invocations. Both of them are CMD HCS submit topic messages, and this should call the Hedera SDK and submit transactions which add messages to the HCS topic. So let's do a quick reminder. This is illustrative of what has to happen behind the scenes each time an LLM decides to invoke tools. What information is it extracting from the prompts? Which tool does it choose to invoke? What information does it pass to the tool as input parameters? And how does it parse the output result of the tool? So let's run that, and it looks like it has worked. The tool call messages have indeed been run correctly. Since that has submitted transactions to the Hedera blockchain, let's take a look at that on Hashscan, the network explorer. We can see that we have a topic and it shows that two jokes have been submitted to that topic, which is what we wanted. All right, let's wrap up. We built clients, we built tools, and we've just finished manually invoking tools by hard coding an emulation of how an LLM would call them. In the next video, we'll get to the fun part, which is to create an actual AI agent. See you in the next one.